Internet Technologies Practical Blogging. Before you can publish a blog that you have created, you first need to register a blog space. There are many blog providers. Some you have to pay for and some are free. We are going to register a blog space with WordPress.com. Click on Get Started. Once you have clicked on Get Started, it will require you to enter certain information. Enter your username. Enter a password. You have been provided with a blog address. You can now choose what type of blog account you want. We are going to choose the free option. Click on Create Blog. Now you are asked to set up your blog. We are going to change our blog title. A tagline is optional. Choose the language and click on Next Step. You can now choose a theme that is available. We are not going to customize our theme, therefore we will click on Next Step. You are asked whether you want to share your posts with families and friends. You can connect your accounts to other people. Let's create our first post. What are we going to do? We are going to insert text. Once you click on Next, you are asked to confirm through email that this is your blog site. Confirmation therefore will enable you to publish posts on your blog. If you look on your email, you will see that the blog publisher has asked you to confirm your email address. Once you have done that, you can now start publishing your posts on your blog. If you want to publish a post that you have created in Microsoft Word, you will click on File and Save and Send. Here you will find Publish as Blog Post. Once you click on Publish as Blog Post, choose Register Now. Select your blog provider. We are randomly going to choose Blogger. When you click on Next, you will have to type in your username and your password. Once you click on OK, your blog will be posted on your blog site.